In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animation in Wix Studio. Adding animation can greatly enhance your website's visual appeal and user engagement, making it more interactive and lively. So, let's walk you through these steps to get your website looking more dynamic in no time. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Wix. Once you've located the Wix website in your search results, click the link to open it. If you haven't visited Wix in a while, take a moment to familiarize yourself with any updates on the homepage. With Wix opened, you'll need to log in to access your account. If you're not already logged in, look for the Login button on the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. This will direct you to your personal dashboard, where you can manage your websites. From your dashboard, select the site you wish to work on. Once you're in, take a moment to reflect on which elements could benefit most from animation, such as text, images, or buttons. Choose an element you think could use a little flair. With your element selected, your next step is to locate the inspector icon. It looks like a small pin and should be at the top right corner of the Wix editor. Clicking this tool allows you to access various settings for the element you've chosen. Now, let's dive into the fun part: animations. In the inspector, navigate to the Animations and Effects tab, which is marked by a diamond shape. This is where you'll find a wide array of animation options you can apply to your selected element. As you hover over each option, a preview gives you an immediate sense of how the animation will look. The range includes entrance effects, which animate your element as it appears on screen, loop effects for continuous movement, scroll effects that respond to scrolling, and mouse effects for interactive features when hovered over. Once you've found an animation that fits your vision, it's time to fine-tune these effects to better suit your needs. Click the Customize button to adjust finer settings like duration, delay, and easing. The duration controls how long the animation lasts, while delay sets the time before the animation starts. Easing determines how the animation progresses, whether it speeds up, slows down, or remains consistent. And that's it. You've successfully added an animation to your Wix site. These steps not only bring your elements to life, but also create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Feel free to experiment with various combinations to discover what enhances your content best. Thanks for joining in today, and I encourage you to play around and explore other animation possibilities Wix has to offer.